Guys, today we have a Maytag direct drive washer and electric dryer set. Right now we've got this one filling up with water for a really heavy towel load, and we've got the dryer sitting right next to it. So as soon as it's done with the washer, we will also show off the dryer. You're going to get to see that the washer fills all the way up with water for full water submersion. Does an excellent job agitating, has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then when the clothes are all spun out, we move them over to the dryer. Then I'm going to show you that the dryer is heating like it's supposed to, tumbles, nice, quiet, and everything else. All things you'd want to know as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. That way you know when you get home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. I'll also give you some tips for hooking up both of them and what you're going to need for it. So we'll go ahead and let this fill up. It's almost done, just about full submersion there, and it'll switch over and start agitating. Of course, there is a safety lid switch, so as I lift it up, it'll shut it down, but you'll be able to hear and see that everything's working appropriately. All right, so we are back. You can hear it agitating. Sounds great. This up. So how you know these are working correctly is this two-part agitator in the direct drive style. You should be able to spin it clockwise and not back counterclockwise. If it spins freely in both directions, then the agitator dogs have gone bad and it's not actually cleaning your clothes. So super important tip, check that if you've got one of this style, make sure that your clothes are getting clean. But yeah, and then you can kind of hear what I call the agitator kick. If you just heard a humming noise, that would also indicate that that's not kicking back and forth like it's supposed to. All right, now it's getting ready to switch over to the drain cycle. It's going to kick here in just a sec. Got a nice fast drain on these direct drive styles here. So after that, it's going to spin to extract the used up water, fill all the way back up with fresh water, agitate for a bit, then it'll drain again for the final spin cycle, which is what we will come back for next. All right, now final spin cycle. See it coming in. Nice smooth operation. Sounds great. Now lift the lid up. That safety switch is going to kick in and shut it down. But you'll be able to see everything spinning nice and fast. Go, and comes to a stop. All right, we'll let that go ahead and finish up, and we'll be moving over to the dryer. All right, so now we've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. It's running. We're doing time dry with the 80-minute cycle, and of course you don't have to run it that long if you don't want to. This is a super heavy load of towels, so we're going to run it here in high heat. You also can do the buzzer at the end of the cycle, turn that on or off. And then you also have the wrinkle prevent, so this gives you either 30 or 90 more minutes of 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off before it shuts down, giving you more time to get back to fold them before the wrinkles set in. So it's a pretty cool little feature there, or you can just leave it off. And you got your lint trap right here, so you want to make sure that gets clean and clear before each and every load so you have good airflow. The most important thing for your electric dryer is that, for any dryer, is that it has good airflow, no blockages, no buildups, so that it can dry as fast as possible and so your dryer doesn't overheat. Now, about 73 degrees on top of the dryer. Go ahead and open this up. You can see everything tumbling. Nice bright light. And right there is where the heat's going to pump in from the heating element tube. Gets pretty hot there. And then that in turn heats the inside of your dryer. When your clothes get dry, the hot air exits right there, which is where the lint trap catches the lint, and it goes down and out the back of your dryer. Okay, we're going to push to start that back up. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up. This is the last and final load. I'll get this video up and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.